Ow! It's hurting me. I think this might be one of my favorite purchases.
Table's a swamp cooler.
Oh, there we go. That's good. I know, but these are oddly round. That's what I'm saying. Where's the salt and pepper?
Right here.
Oh man. I would say
Not wearing a beard net.
guys will get a little extra seasoning in it.
What's going on, guys? Hayden here. I've been telling you guys for the past 2 videos. Derek is also here with me and his wife Tanya. And as I've been saying for the past couple of weeks,
Wife sounds really weird.
same shit. But the Civic is finally here, and we are going to be starting on it today. You want to tell the good people of YouTube what we are doing to this?
Yeah, we're putting an LS in it, so we can anger people that don't like LS swaps.
And we're making it rear-wheel drive, 4-link,
Yep.
the whole shebang.
Yeah.
Turbo 400.
Turbo 400, forward 8.8 rear. It's basically the same setup that's in the truck. We're literally taking that formula, because it works out so well, putting it in this, which will hopefully end up being a hell of a lot lighter.
Yup. In the truck in the RX-7, same setup basically as all of those.
Exactly. Yours is iron block though, right?
Yep. But same shit, 5.3, whatever.
Yeah.
So today we are going to be working on getting the rear tires just kind of mocked up and a whole bunch of the stuff in the rear cut. Take some measurements for the actual rear axle that's going to go back there, because we need measurements before we can actually start on it.
Yeah.
Start on the rear axle.
Yeah, we're starting with the stock rear end, but we're gonna have to cut it down for whatever we want here. So we need to, not sure what size wheels we're gonna use yet, but we're gonna use the ones that we use for the truck for mock-up and just see kind of where everything sits. Give us an idea. And then we'll...
Lucy's mad. But yeah, so basically take dimensions. Right now we are gonna go ahead, take these rear trailing arms off and get everything out of the way. That's suspension back here. And then we are gonna start cutting everything up back here. So it's gonna be a fun day.
Cutting.
A lot of cutting, a lot of fun. We already had a pretty bomb-ass breakfast, so.
Dude, I feel like that breakfast took like 3 hours out of
Yeah, I feel like it did too, but it'll be a sick little intro of it, so.
Yeah.
Sweet, let's get started.
Yes.
I wouldn't do that.
Yeah, see.
Told you.
Hey, it's off.
Look at that.
Where are you at on that one, bud? Touch that shit.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Boom.
Solid. Not mine.
Well, we're not reusing them. Hey, does anybody need some rear shit?
Fucking Wyatt might.
Yeah.
Right now, dude.
Oh, my dude.
Dude.
Got that upload thing, dude.
I know, already told you that, shut up.
Don't fucking talk to me
So they got their skinnies all mounted up.
at all.
They're hoping that these fit with the fenders nicely. Sketchy dad's over here now too. Dude, you're so rude to me. I'll put you in timeout. Put you in timeout. Shut up. All right, but so the plan is we're gonna start cutting in the back here. Gonna chop these bars out just to get them out of the way because I have to move them. Really what we're gonna do right now is just cut all the way across from here, all the way to the other side, just straight. And then same thing with the front on the fender wells, just right there where the arch comes down, all the way to this side straight out, just to kind of get out of the way and kind of take some dimensions for how wide the rear axle needs to be. So shouldn't really take too long with the angle grinder to chop all that out, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on that and then move on to other stuff. All right, both of you guys, before I start cutting, look at the lines and tell me if it's okay.
Yes, you know.
The white lines.
It's her color.
Fuck you. No, I watched him draw them though.
Uh-huh.
The way crossed up,
Uh-huh.
and then up over here, all the way.
Uh-huh. So we're just taking this whole thing.
Obviously the bars.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if we're gonna be cutting right here, then that means we're taking this whole thing out, right? Or are we gonna
Yeah. Cut that too.
just cut the tube?
Mm-hmm.
And then we can, whatever we end up putting, oh no, I guess we won't end up even using, because the crossbar is gonna be over here.
Yeah.
Okay, so just cut it.
Yep. The bars,
Okay.
I didn't mark the bars, but
Yeah,
yeah.
I didn't mind, you can cut it wherever, we'll just
Okay.
grind it down later.
Sound good?
Yup.
Dope. Let's do it. So we got all this cut out. All came out in one piece. We still have to trim a bunch of the stuff in the wheel wells so we can set the tires in there and get our dimensions. So we're gonna go ahead and move this piece, clean up a little bit, cut out the other pieces, and then start putting the wheels and tires in there. So it is the next day. We were working pretty late last night, so I didn't really film how far we got yesterday, but we did get the back half all cut up. We got all these pieces out and basically everything out of the way so we can kind of mock up the ride height and figure out what tire they want to go with. This is pretty similar to a 28 by 10, and we trimmed out kind of the rest of the wheel well area and kind of mocked it up, and we are right now adjusting ride height to see if they want to run either a 28 or a 26 tall tire. So we're gonna do some measurements and figure out what is gonna work the best. So this is what a 26-inch tire looks like on here. It looks pretty good. Have quite a bit of room forwards and backwards on it. It's just all up to you guys. 28 or 26?
Oh, not me.
Hey.
Decided.
I want to be that asshole. I like the 28 better.
Decisions.
Well, it's funny because you're the one who originally wanted a 28.
Yeah,
And I originally
For function
wanted a
purposes,
26.
yeah, but
it
I'm
looks
not sure if you understand
I understand.
the work that it's gonna be.
pretty good.
I don't know.
So just come in a hair. All right, actually, let's see where the measurement is right now. Let me see. We might just take half an inch off of the measurement that we take.
Okay. Damn. Sub 51.
On the dot, huh?
Yeah, but well, so hold on, do it again. I think we might be, that 51 is like, it's more like 50 and 7/8.
Okay.
So you want to go 50 and 3/4?
Oh, you're right, it is.
It's like 50 and,
Oh,
yeah, so we make it.
I thought we settled on 50 and 3/8. I was like,
No,
yeah,
yeah,
good.
50 and 3/8. Then you could put a 1/4 inch spacer on it.
Right. Yeah. So if we wanted them to be right, if we find that the rear end is a little bit too short for our liking, we'll put a 1/4 inch spacer on both sides.
Yeah.
That'll be where we are right now. I like that.
Yes. Yep. So we just took our dimensions for the rear axle. We just measured from mounting surface to mounting surface on these wheels. These are actually the 28s. They will be putting the 26s on them. And so next weekend, we will be starting on the front most likely, depending on what parts show up. So almost all of this inside here is gonna get cut out. We're gonna have to modify probably the steering shaft and all kinds of stuff. So we will have a whole bunch of footage for you guys. I know we have a long ways to go and a lot more stuff to do, and we're just getting started. So hopefully more parts will start to show up, and we'll actually, the plan is to get this build done in about 2 or 3 months. Right, Derek?
3 months.
3 months? 3? 2? I thought 2.
As soon as you say 2,
I said 2. I don't know. Well,
If you want to do 2.
it depends on how fast the parts come, but the parts should be coming very quick for everything. So yeah, he's got the majority of the parts done. Tranny's here, motor's here, but for the most part, motor's done, turbo's done. All this shit's really here, minus the rear axle, because we had to wait on dimensions. So it's gonna get done pretty quick. Hopefully you guys are interested in this. Comment down below what you guys think of the 26 versus the 28 tire on there. See what they're pretty set on the 26s, and I'm pretty set on the 26s too. But the 28s do look gnarly.
Time is still on the fence, so tell us what you think.
Yeah, let us know what you guys think down below. And for all you haters out there that don't want an LS swap Civic, sucks to suck. So actually, before we end here, I want to remind you guys, we're gonna be doing live streams on Fridays, right?
Yep.
And they're gonna be coming here Friday night, so we probably won't get a lot done then. We'll be doing live streams every Friday, so be sure to go and make sure the notifications are turned on for the channel so you can see when we're doing live sessions. So be answering questions or really just kind of getting started and getting warmed up and just talking to you guys. So should be pretty interesting, right?
9:30 or 8:30, 9 o'clock Mountain Time.
Yeah,
That's
our schedule might be. I'll just make like a little post about it when we're about to do it.
Time.
Or it'll be really late. So I'll just make a post about it when we're about to do it. But like you said, around 8:30, 9 o'clock Mountain time. Sweet.
Yep, that's where we are.
All right. All right. Bye, Felicia.
Bye.